Hi Trail Treaders, this is Overland Dave here and welcome back to East Exmoor National Forest. And we're going to bring you we found somewhere to camp. We're going to get the bivvy bag out, put an apple up. There's a few signs around here, some scratches on the trees and stuff, and trees crossed. So hopefully that'll be a good sign. We'll do some tree knocking later and see what we can find. Meanwhile, let's just have a quick look round. Some trees down over there. If you spot anything, let us know in the comments. Be much appreciated, because we're watching and trying to find something. It could well be out there watching us, watching him, she, it. Keep watching Trail Treaders. We'll bring you more on this big far adventure into East Exmoor. So Trail Treaders, we're going to put the apple up that tree. It's about, what, 20 metres away from where we're going to be sleeping. It's quite a good tree, and there's some stuff around it near it that's down. So I'll do that and I'll show you where the apple up there. Right, if you can just see that, I've got the apple up there, climbed up the tree. It's about 15 feet up. So we'll see if it says Amora do some tree knocking later, and then we've got a nice clearing here, Trail Treaders, where we're going to be camping out. So if there's anything out there, we'll hear it, and it'll find us, or we'll find it. So Trail Treaders, if there's anything out there, we'll hear it later. So we'll keep our ears and eyes peeled, and see what happens. We've got a nice little campsite here, nice little bit of open space, and we'll see what happens. So this is Overland Dave on Bigfoot RC in East Exmoor, searching for Bigfoot. Enjoy the video. This is the next morning, Trail Treaders, and no apple. We had some noises last night, but yeah, didn't see anything. But it's quite frightening. But no apple. It's gone, and that was 20 meters away. So there you go. We're continuing on, Trail Treaders, into East Exmoor. It's getting a bit denser as well, and the wind's picking up. But we've found a bit of a sheltered area, so we're going to put a couple of apples up in the trees. Like I said, we're going to do some tree knocking as well, and we're going to have a search around the area as well, as best we can. But it's quite thick in here, as you can see. A lot of pine trees, a few beech, and some different sorts of spruce as well. So, but we've got the apples, so we're gonna put them up. Probably have to climb a tree bit, but we'll find a tree that I can get up, and we'll go from there. So you can see how dense it is. So if something watching us, it'll be hard to spot. It will. So that's the way we're heading. So let's go back to that clearing. Thanks for watching, Trail Treaders on Bigfoot RC. This is Overland Dave saying see you later.